Welcome to Illuminati Silver. We tell you the truth about silver. Today is Saturday the 12th of March 2016 and we're providing our gold and silver update for week ending the 11th of March. Gold fell in US dollar terms last week by $13 from $12.58 to $12.45, having been as high as $12.79 and as low as $12.43. In sterling terms, gold fell by £18, and in euro terms it relinquished last week's gains and fell by €26. Silver fell just 2 cents, from $15.51 to $15.49, having reached a high of $15.72 and a low of $15.22. In sterling terms it fell 13 pence, and in euros it fell by 0.20 euros. The gold to silver ratio fell from 81.1 to 1 to 80.3 to 1. The Dow Jones closed on Friday at 17,213, up 218 points on the day and up some 211 points on the week. And the Nasdaq closed at 4,748, up 86 for the day and up some 31 points on the week. Brent crude was $1.70 up on the week at $40.39, and US light crude was up $2.58 at $38.50. The dollar index stands at 96.17. That's down 1.17 on the week. On Wednesday, we produced a video stating that the Eurozone were going to cut rates on Thursday, and this could have a downward impact on gold and possibly silver. Well, on Thursday, the European Central Bank had cut interest rates across the Eurozone to an all-time low of 0, as it unveiled an unprecedented package of growth-boosting measures against the backdrop of a fragile global economy. It announced that it was expanding its money printing program and reduced a key bank deposit rate further into negative territory. The ECB chief, Mario Draghi, implied interest rates would stay very low for at least another year and predicted the region would remain mired in negative inflation for months to come. But he played down speculation that interest rates could be cut even further. Well, as predicted, we actually saw gold prices fall from the $1,252 level to as low as $1,243, closing the week at $1,245. Silver also dipped from $15.40 to $15.22, but recovered strongly to $15.49. In sterling terms, both gold and silver fell. In fairness to silver, it held up well and strengthened slightly in relation to gold. Technical analysts are stating that should gold close above $1,300, it could rise to its next major resistance level at $1,330. And if this is broken, the $1,375 level is on the cards. Silver, they state, could also see the $16 level, but it needs to break and hold above $15.80 first. We are mindful that open interest in gold surged to some 499,000 contracts, the strongest open interest rise in more than 4 years. Rising open interest usually confirms an uptrend. However, COT data in gold, silver, copper and crude are moving together, and speculation has reached levels of previous tops. Gold is on a new buy signal, and although the cycle is up, it's rapidly reaching those levels whereby a correction becomes overdue, and we see this happening over the coming weeks. Silver, however, despite its recent strength, remains on a long-term sell signal, and investors should really be in cash. The COT data suggests again falling prices in the coming weeks. This does not detract, however, from our comments last week that should you be underweight in metals in your portfolio, then you should at least consider purchasing on dips. But we feel that the next couple of months should provide you with a good opportunity to do just that. We hope you have found this video interesting and informative, and if so, please give it a thumb up and share it on Twitter. Also, kindly visit our website at www.illuminatisilver.com and look at our Facebook page, which is updated daily at www.facebook.com/illuminatisilver. Disclaimer: Illuminati Silver owners come from a background of banking, international wealth management and economics. Having now retired from these worlds, we are not qualified to give investment advice. Therefore this and other productions must not be deemed to be giving such advice and merely represent the personal views of its owners.